Hi guys, I'm Stephanie Weaver and welcome to my studio. I'm so glad to have you. And what we're going to do over the next several lessons is actually work on one painting. And this is something that I think everybody needs to do. Because what we're going to do is we're going to start in the form of a value study and then wait about a week to let the paint completely dry, and then we're going to glaze on the layers. And this is going to make a super fantastic painting. And let me kind of show you a little bit of the reference photo that we're going to paint from. This is the reference photo that we're going to paint from. Now, I will make some modifications to the drawing itself because the reference image is a little bit too complex, and simple is beautiful. So we are going to go simple, but there's still a great deal of complexity in this reference image that you're going to see. So let's go ahead and get ready